Today, I'm going to share my review about the Vevor Airless Paint Sprayer. This tool has been gaining attention for its affordability and versatility, especially among DIY enthusiasts tackling big painting projects like houses, sheds, and fences. Overall, reviews are mixed but lean positive, with many users finding it to be an excellent value for the price. On the positive side, one of the biggest advantages is affordability. Many customers feel they're getting professional level performance at a fraction of the cost of brands like Greco or Wagner. For DIY projects, the sprayer really shines. It covers large surfaces quickly, helping homeowners complete projects much faster than with brushes or rollers. The sprayers are also relatively easy to use, even for beginners. With a straightforward design and a little practice, you can achieve a fine, even spray pattern that produces smooth, professional-looking results. Many models are also lightweight and portable, which makes them easy to maneuver and reduces fatigue during longer jobs. However, it's not all perfect. Some users report inconsistent quality. While certain units work flawlessly, others fail after only a few uses. Leaks and messes have also been mentioned, especially if the sprayer isn't set up or primed correctly. The hoses can feel plasticky, and a few users recommend leaving them in the sun to soften them before use. Because of this, proper setup is key. Watching online tutorials on priming and pump operation can make a huge difference in performance. Recommendations: if you're a DIYer looking for a budget-friendly sprayer, Vevor is worth considering. Just remember to manage your expectations. It's not always as reliable as high-end brands, but for the price, it can be an amazing deal. Unique tip: always strain your paint before pouring it into the sprayer to reduce clogging and ensure a smoother finish. Thank you for watching.